Welcome to Digitalpreneurs. As usual, it's me again, Balix, here at the headquarters, where we always strive to come up with amazing content for you guys. Okay, so this video is going to be specifically on what you need to do in case you have a purchased or a rented email list. Okay, the best practice which will work wonders when you have an affiliate or partner who has an email list that you're targeting. The best practice is let them email their own list telling them about you or your services. Okay, so let us assume that you have an event that is coming up, or you have a webinar, or you have this amazing new product that you want to market to that affiliates list. Let them write in their own words and let them praise you and praise the product. Okay, it also helps when that affiliate is using that product or has accessed the masterclass, webinar, whatever it is that you are into. Okay, now the second scenario comes in if you have access to their database or their email marketing platform. Okay, so in case you have access to their email marketing platform and you want to blast out an email to their email list, the best thing to do is, again, write the email as if it is that person recommending you and your products. Okay, never ever get into the situation where you export that list that the affiliate has allowed you to use and then use it in your own email marketing platform. Okay, why? Because none of those people has allowed you to send them emails in the first place. It will backfire, it will explode in your face. So the best thing is to make sure that you utilize that person's email marketing platform, because once the email is delivered to that list, it will come with that affiliate's name and that affiliate's email address. So his list or her list is already accustomed to receiving emails from that affiliate. Okay, so I hope we are clear up to that point. Even if you have access to the email marketing platform, write in the third person. Okay, write as if it's that affiliate telling his or her list about you and your services. Okay, so on to the next one. For those of you that that have purchased lists and you're not using either an affiliate or whatever, but you bought a list, the best thing to do is not to send them a direct email from your inbox, okay, or from your email marketing platform, because again, these people have not allowed you to send them emails. Okay, the best way that I have found that works wonders is uploading this email list into your retargeting platform. Okay, so you could use retargeting or remarketing ads in let's say Facebook or Google Ads, or if you've heard of AdRoll, so you could upload that database, that email list that you've purchased, and then create a look-alike audience in Facebook or in AdRoll. Okay, that way you will be able to retarget them with your product or service, so that they go and click on the retargeting or remarketing ad. That way you are not violating their privacy and or any other law that is out there. That way, let us assume you've retargeted them with let us say maybe a free PDF, a downloadable free PDF. Then they have to fill in their email address and name so that they get that PDF. Now that way you can get them into your email marketing platform, and then you can begin sending them emails as much as you want. Okay, so with those few points, I hope this has been very, very helpful. If you use these two, you will avoid the dangers of low open rates, being reported and being categorized as a spammer. Okay, so other than that, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel as we release a lot of this content. Until next time, it's Balik Sassan from Digitopreneurs saying at Salavista. Bye-bye.